Why do two-way radios lose signal in urban environments? Imagine trying to have a clear conversation while surrounded by a maze of tall buildings and busy streets. That's often what two-way radio users face in cities. Urban areas are packed with structures made of concrete, steel, and glass. These materials are not friendly to radio signals. They can block, absorb, reflected, and scatter the radio waves that carry your voice. When signals are blocked, your communication drops or becomes unclear. Buildings and walls act like barriers that stop the radio waves from traveling directly between your radio and your team. If the line of sight is blocked, the signal has to bounce around or find a different path, which weakens it. This bouncing is called reflection, and it causes what is known as multipath interference. When signals bounce off surfaces like windows or metal walls, they arrive at the receiver at different times and angles. This can cause the sound to distort or fade, creating dead zones where communication is impossible. Materials like concrete and brick absorb radio energy, especially when signals pass through walls or floors. This absorption weakens the signal further, making indoor communication difficult. Weather conditions like rain or fog can scatter signals too, adding to the problem. Lower frequency signals, like those in the very high frequency range, tend to penetrate buildings better than higher frequency signals. However, both are affected by dense urban environments. The height of your antenna also plays a role. When antennas are placed higher, such as on rooftops, signals are less likely to be blocked by obstacles. Electromagnetic interference from other electronic devices, Wi-Fi networks, and Bluetooth gadgets is common in cities. This noise can drown out your radio signals, reducing clarity and range. To improve communication, tactical teams often use radios operating in the 800 or 900 MHz range. These frequencies balance building penetration and distance. Using antennas mounted high above street level, deploying repeaters or base stations, and choosing digital radios with noise reduction features can make a big difference. Digital radios can also correct errors caused by multipath interference, keeping your communication clear. Operators should aim to place antennas as high as possible, especially on rooftops or tall structures. Installing repeaters in strategic locations extends coverage in complex urban areas. Selecting radios designed for rugged environments with strong signal processing helps maintain contact. Being aware of sources of electromagnetic interference and minimizing their impact is also key. In practice, this means turning off unnecessary electronic devices nearby or choosing channels less crowded with other signals. Digital radios with error correction and noise filtering are especially useful in noisy city environments. Overall, understanding these challenges allows tactical teams to choose the right gear and set up for urban operations. Proper antenna placement, repeater use, and selecting the best frequency can keep communication lines open even amid the chaos of city life.